Welcome! Today we're going to show you how to turn on dark mode on Facebook using your PC. This updated guide will walk you through the steps to make your browsing experience easier on the eyes, especially in low light settings. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Display and Accessibility. This will take you to a settings page where you can adjust various display options. Now, under the section titled Dark Mode, you'll notice three options: Off, On, and Automatic. To enable dark mode, simply click On. You'll immediately see the interface switch to a darker color scheme, making it more comfortable for extended use in dim environments. And that's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode on Facebook. If you ever want to switch back to the default light mode or set it to adjust automatically based on your system settings, you can return to this menu and make the changes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share this video with anyone who might find it helpful. Enjoy browsing Facebook in dark mode.